part 2 of the exhaust, because I like to start things without having everything I need. It's not much, mostly for looks. So I gotta snip off a good 4 or 5 inches so it sits about in this region, because it will not clear that brace, and then connect it to the back, and we will have full exhaust. Well, somebody will, I won't. Now remember, before you go blasting away, protection. Yes. Well, 5 inches sounds good, depending on who you ask. 5 inches. Yeah. Creating a wind tunnel. Oh, it scared the hell out of me. I think I started myself on fire. Oh, I was only a little off. That's embarrassing. Come on. Bing. Huh. See where that's sitting now. Whew. You get the side shields for these bad boys. Oh, and your face starts to sweat. It really does block out everything, even the air. Air. Yep. I need to bring both of them. Just a little. Alright. out of here. Boom. Whew. So right now I'm trying to figure out where exactly these back pipes need to hang. Normally I would just have someone hold them and then I can measure from the muffler to these back pipes to see how much pipe I need left. But it's just me, so I'm gonna hang them where I want them, where they fit, and then I can measure. But I think I'm gonna go at about one of these holes because I think they're threaded from what I feel. So I can hang a exhaust hanger here. So I need to figure out that distance, and then I'll be able to bend this. Oh my god. Oh. The rear diff definitely hurts more than the last thing I hit my head on. But where I was going with this is I'm gonna actually get to use my Versa bend that I got from Eastwood a while ago and haven't used it yet. Not true. I bent a license plate for the heck of it, so that was just me playing with it. Now I'm gonna use it on this. Didn't go as well as planned. I needed it too high up on the hanger so it wasn't flat. It was a good thought, but one that didn't work, so just had to do it by hand. So I'm gonna get this hung up. Attempted to be hung up.